Hey guys, welcome back to ADV-Taiwan. I'm your host, Jia-Mu. Going to a really awesome waterfall. My buddy's back.
Yeah.
It's just us guys, the good old boys. I want to get there. I don't know why I'm running, but I just want to get there. Saw some old people coming in here. They're pretty ballsy. They don't have any correct gear. Once they see, they're not going to make it to the last waterfall. They'll make it to the first part. I don't see them swimming across the water, climbing over a rope and getting to the bigger one.
They're pretty ambitious. So.
We'll see. Let's find out. So beautiful. So here's our first obstacle. To get to the Jia-Mu waterfall, you have to cross this deep water, and there should be on the rope on the other side. Let's go check it out. Yeah, it's deep enough to jump in. Looks like you can just climb right. Looks like you can just climb right up. There's no rope today, unfortunately. But it looks like it's not big enough to hold you back. The screen will turn off. The screen will turn off, okay? Hold it. The screen will turn off because it's still filming.
Alright. That was awesome. Alright, Nico the sicko.
So we're almost to the waterfall. We just passed the part where you saw me jump in the water. Now we are proceeding to the main attraction, the waterfall, through this beautiful valley. I should be wearing a helmet because rocks are known to fall down here, but I guess I'll just have to take my chance. Looks like we're here, almost. Very tranquil and peaceful. Beautiful. Looks like we're here. So I'm gonna press stop and get there real quick. See you there. Wow, this is fucking awesome. This is awesome. And you know what? I really wish Sheena, my girlfriend Sheena, was here with me to enjoy this. I think she'd really love it. I miss her so much. She's in Taipei right now, visiting her niece, her newborn niece. So she wasn't able to come today, but I don't know. I really miss her. So I guess the best I can do is take her along with me into the waterfall. Let's take a swim. Woo! This is awesome. So how's everyone doing in the USA? How you guys holding up? Leave a comment below. Let me know how lockdown is while I'm over here enjoying this beautiful water. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you ever want to come with me, leave a comment below. We'll go together. Beautiful Taiwan. Who would have thought this was Taiwan? Hey, is the camera on?
Yes, it is.
How long is it right now?
3 minutes.